Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how to make this border. It's I call it a chain space border. I don't know if it has a different name, but that's just what I call it. And for this border we're just going to create all these little chain spaces all the way around. And this makes for a really nice and decorative border, and it might be just right for your project. Let me show you how we do this. So I have finished my round of single crochets and we're just going to jump right into it. So we've finished off this round by slip stitching, and I'm going to slip stitch one more time, and then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we're going to skip this next one and go into the second one, and in here we're going to slip stitch as well, like that. And you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1 and slip stitch in this next space. One more time, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1 and go into the next space and slip stitch. And that is the pattern. And it creates these nice little, let's call them loops, on the outside. And I think they're very decorative and very pretty. And you're just going to go ahead and do that all the way around your blanket or whatever project you have. In the corners, you don't really have to worry. You just do the same thing you have been doing all along in the corners, not adding anything special or adding more stitches. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.